The strange history of why humans work 9 to 5. For most of history, there was no office, no fixed schedule, no Monday blues. So, how did humanity end up organizing life around one clock? For that, let's understand. Before the machine, work was governed by the sun. Seasonal work, medieval craftsmen, farming societies, work was difficult. But rhythms were dictated by daylight and seasons. Time was fluid. But then came the industrial rhythm. The demand for the continuous production required a rigid artificial framework. And because of this, the clock became king. Factories required punctuality, synchronized labor, discipline, and efficiency. Mass production could not wait for the sunrise. This resulted in 12 to 16-hour daily work shift, widespread labor, dangerous unregulated factory flows. Humans were forced to match the tireless pace of coal-fired machines. The human body broke down. Then came Robert Owen, a labor activist who made a utopian demand. It would take a century of protests and workers' movements to make it a reality. So what was it all about? 8 hours recreation, 8 hours rest, 8 hours labor. This idea was later taken up by Henry Ford. 8-hour day to maximize the machine. Ford shortened hours and doubled pay not of kindness, but because data proved it. Beyond 8 hours, exhaustion caused mistakes, injuries, and slowed down the assembly line. Empathy didn't shape modern work, efficiency did. So let's understand this. The continuous upgrades of workplace operating system here. Pre-industrial, you had the prime motivator was the survival. During industrial, it was efficiency. And during digital age, it was complex problem solving. We are running legacy software on a modern hardware. The 9 to 5 was flawlessly engineered for steam-powered mass production. Yet we are using it to govern screen-based creativity knowledge work. The strange thing about 9 to 5 isn't that it exists. It's the most of us never stop to ask where it came from. Because sometimes the systems shaping our lives feel so normal, we forget someone invented them. And if humans created this system, humans can redesign it.